just want the look of false lashes or lash extensions without false lashes or lash extensions. Is that too much to ask? Today, I am so excited. We are comparing the top 9 drugstore mascaras of 2023 to let them battle it out and see which one is actually the most awesome, the most epic, and gives me the closest effect to like false lashes, fake lashes, while also still seeming sort of natural, but not, because obviously I want it to look way better than my natural lashes, which look like this. Yeah, pretty non-existent, very blonde, very light. I would like some lashes, but I don't want to have that super clumpy, spidery mess on my face either. And I would also like to not spend more than $20 on my mascara. Why? Because I'm cheap. No, I just want to get the most bang for my buck, get some really good quality out of the products that I'm using, and mascara is one of those places that you can do that because the drugstore is frankly killing it with mascaras lately. If you're brand new to this channel, hi, my name's Courtney, and usually we talk all things wavy curly hair. Yes, right now this is just my hair air dried product free. I've been giving my hair a little bit of a break from styling, but when I do style my hair wavy curly, this is what it looks like. Honestly, it has been one of the most fun and transformative things I've ever done, embracing the hair that I am fearfully and wonderfully made with. So that's what we normally talk about here on this channel. And if you feel like sticking around for that, go ahead and subscribe. You may actually have wavy curly hair and not know it. That being said, let's get into these mascaras. You heard me correctly when I said we were doing 9 mascaras. That makes me cringe. I feel like it should be 10, but when it was all said and done and I was done filming, I had only gotten 9. Somehow I'm missing one somewhere, and if we need another one of these videos, give this video a thumbs up and we'll round it out with more mascaras than just 9, because 9 feels like an incomplete number to me. These are just my picks after doing the researches on the internet, basically just Googling what were the top mascaras for 2023. There were several different lists, and I just kind of picked and chose ones that I saw landed on each of those lists. If I am missing your absolute all-time favorite drugstore mascara, you know what to do. Comment, tell us in the comments, because we need to share the goodness. Here are the things that I am looking for in a mascara. 1, I am a mom. I am really busy. I don't have just a whole lot of time to be fiddling with my mascara every day to get it absolutely perfect. I need to be able to throw 2 coats on and it look great. I need it to not be messy. I want it to give me lots of length and tons of separation. Here is what I am not looking for: volume, because in my mind, volume mascaras are always super clumpy. So I'm not looking for a formula that's going to make each of my individual eyelashes thicker, because then it looks spidery and clumpy and gross. I'm looking for length and separation in my all-time favorite mascara. Now that we have the ground rules, let's get into the mascaras. First up, we have the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This has a super thin plastic bristle brush, and the wand is super flexible. Honestly, this one has been my go-to for quite a while, and you'll notice a trend in this video. I tend to reach for the brown mascaras over the black mascaras. I find brown is more natural looking, and the brown tends to make my blue eyes pop more than the super dark black mascaras. This product is not terribly messy, honestly. It does get some spots on my lid, but I don't even have to wait for them to dry down. I can immediately grab a Q-tip and start cleaning them up. It doesn't smudge and get all weird when I try and clean it up. It just wipes away beautifully. I find that it gives me tons of length. This gets a 5 out of 5 for length, a 4 out of 5 for separation. The formula is pretty easy to work with. It does take some building just a bit, but nothing that I find unmanageable. So 4 out of 5 for the formula, and overall, this one gets a 4.25 stars out of 5 for me. Next up, we have Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara. It's a natural bristle brush that's kind of on the smaller side. It's not massive bristles, and the wand is very stiff, not flexible. The formula's on the drier side, and it did take me a long time to build this up. That being said, I really do appreciate that this formula does contain some more nourishing ingredients meant to help your lashes grow longer over time. Some mascaras dry down so stiff on the eyelashes that I feel like I've actually noticed breakage in my lashes from mascaras before. And this Neutrogena Healthy Lengths doesn't feel like it's gonna do that to me at all. It's very minimally messy. I did get some on my lid. Honestly, I am the worst. Just know that I am incredibly messy when it comes to mascaras, so you're getting a really good look at how messy a mascara actually is when I use it because I get them everywhere. The length on this mascara was a 3 out of 5. Separation was absolutely incredible. 0 clumps, 5 out of 5. The formula was kind of a 2 out of 5, but overall, it's a 4 out of 5 because I really love the final look, but it took me forever to build it up and get it to where I wanted it. Next up, we have Honest Beauty. This is a plastic brush that is medium bendiness. It's kind of a bendy wand. It does come with a lash primer, which I did test out off camera, and it was terrible. It did nothing. In fact, I had some issues recording. I forgot to press record the first couple of times I tried this mascara, and I got the exact same results with this mascara every time I used it. The messiness is a 5 out of 5. I got this stuff everywhere, and I think it's because of the formula. It's a moussey formula that the instant you touch your lid, you're getting a clump of product on your lid, and then you go to wipe it off and it just smears everywhere. Length was a 2 out of 5. Honestly, it barely made my lashes look any longer than they are naturally. Separation is a 1 out of 5. My lashes were quite clumpy and not super cute, so the formula gets a 1 out of 5 for me because of the smudging and how difficult it was to work with. Overall, this mascara gets a 1 out of 5 for me. Next up, we have Essence Lash Princess. It's a natural tapered bristled brush. I love the price point on this product, but it doesn't come in any other colors than black. This mascara wasn't messy at all. I think I got 1 flake on my lid and it swept away immediately. I got really good length out of this product, 4 out of 5. Separation, 4 out of 5. Very little clumpiness, very nicely separated. Formula, 4 out of 5. It took just the slightest amount of building up, but really not difficult to build up at all. So this gets a 4 out of 5 for me overall. I just wish it came in brown. That would make this product perfect in my opinion. Next up, we have L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. It's a plastic bristle brush with a very flexible wand, but this is a weird brush. It's like a paddle. I love that it comes in brown. The first coat of this product looked amazing, but it got super clumpy on me when I went to do the second coat, and then it got really messy and it got everywhere, and it was incredibly tricky to clean up. It was one of those that when I tried to clean it up, it smudged badly. I really don't think I did this mascara justice. Length, 5 out of 5, really gave me tons of length, which I loved. Separation, 4.5 out of 5, which means that the formula was really nice, but it did get messy. So it was a 4 out of 5 for me on the formula, and overall a 3 out of 5 because ease of use is a really big deal to me and I need it to be super easy to use. There's a chance that if I use this product more, I would love it more, but that's how the cookie crumbles on this first impression of this mascara. Next up, we have Covergirl Lash Blast Clean. This is a plastic bristle fat brush and a really stiff wand. I appreciate that they put a nourishing argan and marula oil in this formula. I appreciate that it's a clean formula. Messiness on this mascara is a 5 out of 5. I got this product absolutely everywhere and it was ridiculous to try and clean up. As soon as I went to wipe it away with a little Q-tip, it smeared and smudged. Length was a 1 out of 5. My lashes looked pretty short. And separation was a 2 out of 5. The formula, 1 out of 5. This was so hard to work with. And overall, 1 out of 5 for me, which is really odd because the next mascara that we have is CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara, which I have used and loved for years. I love that it comes in a true brown, same fat bristle brush that's really stiff as the Lash Blast Clean Mascara, and this didn't get anywhere. So I guess the formula of the clean version of this product is just super messy for me because this one didn't get anywhere. I know from experience that as I use this mascara more, it kind of dries out and it becomes even easier to work with. It builds up a little bit quicker. This is a fresh tube, so I did have to spend quite a bit of time building it up. Length is a 3 out of 5. Separation, 5 out of 5. Zero clumpiness, super natural and wispy looking lashes. It does take a while to build up, so I'm gonna give this formula a 3 out of 5. Overall, this gets a 4 out of 5. Really solid product, really like it. Next up, we have L'Oreal Voluminous Original. This is a natural bristle brush that has a slightly flexible wand. This is my first time trying this mascara and I was really impressed. I see why so many people love this product. And honestly, my first coat looked absolutely gorgeous. I did have some trouble on the second coat and the messiness did get out of hand. I got some on my lid and no matter what I did, I could not get it off. It smudged on my lid and it stayed there. I got free eyeliner for the day. Length, 4 out of 5. Separation, 4 out of 5. There was a tiny bit of clumpiness, very minimal. Formula is a 4 out of 5. It was really easy to build up and work with, but because of the messiness, overall I'm giving this a 3 out of 5. It's gotta be easy to clean up if I'm having a bad day and just really mess up my application. I need to be able to clean it up and save the look and not get free eyeliner because this is not the look I was going for. Lastly, we have e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. I think this is a relatively new launch and it has a massive hourglass natural bristle brush. This thing was enormous and I was a little bit nervous when I started using it because I expected it to be incredibly messy. The brush really does remind me of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, but as I was using this product, it went on like an absolute dream. It gave me really nice length, 4 out of 5. It wasn't super lengthening, but it gave me the length that I needed. Separation was absolutely crazy. 5 out of 5 on separation. Super wispy, long, natural, pretty looking lashes that also had like volume at the root, but the tips didn't look spidery at all. Formula is a 5 out of 5. I slapped on 2 coats. There was zero mess. My lashes looked perfect for what I'm looking for in a mascara. So overall, this one is a 5 out of 5. I was not expecting to find a mascara that I liked better than my old favorites in this video, and I did. This is amazing. I like that it comes in a true brown. It's slightly darker than the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Brown, but I actually like that. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is a little different than what I normally do, but if you liked it, it would definitely mean the world to me if you give it a thumbs up. We can absolutely do more videos like this in the future if they are helpful to you, because that is why I'm here on the internet. It is my mission to be as helpful as humanly possible to you guys in all areas of your life, whether that is your healthy, wavy, curly hair journey or just finding a really good drugstore mascara that gets the job done. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!